Hi, my name's Amber. I'm a first year student studying primary education at USW, and here's a few things to expect on your first day of placement. It's going to be very scary. You just need to get stuck in and enjoy yourself, just enjoy it. Make sure you get stuck in the staff room. As much as it's horrible, I thought I'd be eating my sandwiches in my car. You just need to get into the staff room, get to know the staff, get to know your colleagues, because you're going to be with them for your first year. When you start your placement, the staff, they're going to be lovely to you. You just need to make sure you've got a bit of confidence about you. Everyone's going to feel a bit shy. I'm a shy person. So as soon as I went in, I was like a bit frozen. But you've just got to talk about yourself, talk about what you like. It's just really, really important to get to know everyone and make sure that you're very well known to all the staff so that they're able to treat you just as well as they treat their colleagues. Make sure that the children know you and are able to call you by your professional name. So I was Miss Cox, and I was able to order some stickers from Temu or Shein, anywhere. And I had them that said, Miss Cox thinks you're a superstar. As soon as you get in and you meet the children and you get to know their names, and they tell you what they did like 3 weeks ago, they'll just talk your head off, and you won't feel like that anymore, I promise. This is your first step into teaching, in the teacher profession. It's a long journey, and not every day is going to feel so nerve-wracking. It's normal to feel like that. Everyone's going to feel the same way. Everyone in your year will be in the same boat, but it gets easier, and now I'm skipping in school every day.